on this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste codes to make money on YouTube. This is one of the simplest strategy that you can use to make money from home on YouTube without any skills and without any experience. So I'm going to take you through the process, so make sure you watch till the end. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So let's look at this channel right here. You can see Wonder Zone. So when you look at the content of this channel, you can see that everything is codes. As you can see, it's just the codes of the Buddha. So as you can see, a whole lot of them. You can see that most of these videos are getting thousands of views. You can see 186,000, you can see 41,000, you can see 1.1 million, 164,000, you can see 71,000, 51,000, and then the rest. These are simple videos that you can create even if you have no skills or even if you have no editing experience. So I'm going to show you how to create videos like this and upload them to YouTube, and I will also show you how to monetize these videos. The first step is that you have to choose the kind of course that you want to create. So for example, you can see this one is about the Buddha, so you can quote Jesus Christ, you can quote any personality that you want, you can quote a philosopher, you can quote any other popular personality that you want. You can just create course about such a person, and then you are going to be uploading them onto YouTube. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to just simply use the Buddha so that you can go through this process, but you have the option to select your own course. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to just search for this one, the Buddha course about happiness. So you can search for something like this. You can also search for Bible course about happiness. You can search a whole lot of different codes that you want, and then you are going to use them to create a video. Once we search for the Buddha course about happiness, you can see a lot of different results here. As you scroll, you can see different results. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use this one here, 21 Buddha course about happiness. So we are going to use this one. You can equally scroll down and select the ones that you want. I'm going to use this one for you to see. So as you can see, once you open the article, this is how it looks like. So as you scroll, you can see a whole lot of different codes. You can see the codes here. Buddha codes are on happiness. You can see the first one here, the second one. As we scroll, you can see many of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use this codes to create a video. So we are going to use a free tool to create these videos. You don't need to pay for anything. Everything is free. So we are going to come to this website, converttovideo.com. As you can see, this website allows you to convert different things to video. You can see images, you can convert them to video, you can convert audio to video, you can create video slide, you can trim your audio, compress video, trim video, add text to video, convert text to video, add watermarks, and then you can see a whole lot of different things that you can do on this website. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to convert text to video. So you are going to click on this option right here. Once you click text to video, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy and paste your text right here. So let me drag it for you to see. You can see you are going to paste the text here. So any text that you have, you can convert it to a video. So we are going to copy our course. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to copy some of the codes. I'm not going to copy everything, but if you want to create a video and upload it onto YouTube, you need to copy the number of codes that will impress your viewers. So I'm going to start from here, and then we are going to go down a little bit. So I want to stop here. Once we highlight it, we are going to copy it. Once we copy it, we are going to come back to convert to video, and we are going to paste the text here, as you can see. So it will create a proper video for us. So just don't focus on the arrangement of the text here. It will create the video for you in the right way. So the next thing is that we are going to select an effect for our text. So we are going to select the first one. You can also choose whether you want shadow or not. You can choose that, but we don't want that. You can also change the color of the text right here. When you click here, you can change the color of the text. You can also come here and then choose the font size of the text. You can increase the font size of the text. You can also reduce it. Another thing that you can do is that you can choose the font theme for your text. So you can see there are a lot of them here that you can choose. So once that is done, the next thing is that we are going to upload a background image so that your text will appear on a background. Our course is about the Buddha, so we are going to find a Buddha image and then upload it as our background. So what we are going to do is we are going to come to Google and then search for the Buddha. Once you search for the Buddha, we are going to select images. Now as you can see, these are all images that you can use. You can see a lot of them. So you are going to select the one that you want. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select this one right here. So you are going to just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to save the image. So you just right click and then select save image as, so that you can save it onto your PC. I'm going to save it as, let's say, index 5. Then we are going to click on save so that the image can be saved onto my PC. Once that is done, see, the next thing is that you are going to come here and then upload the image. So you are going to just click on the box. You see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select the image and then click on open so that it will appear here. So now we have our background. The next thing is that we are going to go ahead and then create the video. So when you come here, you are going to just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see that they have upload audio file here. So we are going to add music to the course. So we are going to come to YouTube. Once you come to your YouTube channel, or if you don't have one, you have to create one. Once you log into your YouTube accounts, you are going to come here and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select audio library. So you click on that. So once you click on audio library, you can see free music that you can add to your video without any copyright strike. So you can just scroll down and select the one that you want. So there are thousands of them. You have the option to scroll down and then choose the one that you want so that you can use it in your video. You can also filter them and then select the one that you want. So I'm going to just select mode. So you just select that. So the next thing is that we are going to download the one that you want. So I'm going to download this one right here. So you are going to just come here, click on download so that you can save it onto your PC. As you can see, it is downloading right here. As you can see, the download is complete. So the next thing is that we are going to add it to our video. So you are going to come here, just click on this plus sign so that you can add the audio to a video. So once you click on that, you are going to select the audio and then just click on open, and it's going to be added. Once that is done, you can add your logo here if you have one. If you don't have, we are going to continue to the next step. So you are going to click on create the video now. So that this website will create the video for you. So as you can see, it is creating. So we are going to wait for it to create the whole video. So as you can see, the video has been created. So we are going to play to see how it looks like. So you can just click here to play the video, or you can come this side right here and then click to play the video. So we are going to play the video. So let me click on it for you to see. So as you can see it, you can see. Alright, so as you can see, because of the color of the image, the text right here is not clear. So what you are going to do is that you have to change the image so that the text can look clear, or you can change the color of the text so that it will appear nice. So as you can see, but I just want you to get the idea. I don't want to go through the process again by creating a new video, but I hope you got the idea. You have to make sure that the background color does not match the color of the text so that your text can appear nice. So as you can see this side, the text is clear. Once you have the video, you are going to come here and then click on download the video so that you can save the video onto your PC. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on that, you can see the video is downloading and it's complete. So we now have a full video. So once you have your full video, so the next thing is that we are going to upload the video onto YouTube. Once you are on your channel, what you are going to do is that you're going to click on create and then select upload video so that you can upload your video onto YouTube. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Just select files. Once you click on that, you are going to come here. This is the video and you are going to select it. Click on open so that you can upload the video onto YouTube. As you can see, the video is 100% uploaded. So the next thing is that we are going to add a title to our video. So we are going to come back to the article, and what we want to do is that we are going to copy this text as our title. Once you copy the text, we are going to come back to the video, and here we are going to delete this text. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your title here. As you can see, the title has been pasted. So once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to add tags to your video. So you are going to scroll down, come here, click on show more. Once you click on that, you are going to add your tags here. So there is a tool that you can use to get free tags to add here. So you are going to use this particular tool to generate your tags, rapidtags.io. So when you search for that, you can find this particular tool. Is free so that you can use it to generate a tags for your video. So you are going to come here, use tools for free, so you just click on that. So once you click on that, you can see that enter next YouTube video title to generate tags. So you can see you can generate TikTok tags, you can generate YouTube tags. So we are going to generate the YouTube tags. So we are going to copy the title of our video so that we can use it to generate tags for our video. So when you scroll upwards, you are going to copy the title of the video. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to rapid tags, and here you are going to paste your title here. As you can see, you are going to paste your title here. Once you paste your title, you are going to click on search so that you can search for the different tags. So as you can see, these are the tags that you can copy and paste onto your video. So as you can see the different tags here, so you are going to just click here copy so that you can copy the tags onto your clipboard. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your video, and here you are going to paste your tags right here. So as you can see, these are the tags of the video. You can see everything here. As you can see, with codes you don't need to create a thumbnail. You can see there are thumbnails here. You can just select any of them that is good. You can see the thumbnails has already been generated. So with codes you don't need to create any fancy thumbnail. You need to select the YouTube generated ones. Once you have your tags and the thumbnail, the next thing is that we are going to monetize this particular video so that when people view the video, they can take action for us to earn money. So you are going to be using affiliate products so that you can promote them at the description of this video, so that when people watch it, they can click on your affiliate links and then purchase the products for you to earn money. So we are going to be promoting products on Digistore24. Digistore24 is one of the popular affiliate marketing network that you can join and then promote products on the platform. So there are a lot of different products under different categories that you can promote and then earn a commission when you get a sale. You can see a whole lot of different categories right here. So as you scroll, you can see this product right here. If you promote it and then get a sale, you are going to earn 85% commission. So that is $158, 0.3 cents. So there are many of them. So as you scroll, you can see another one here. You are going to earn $40.99. So as you scroll, you can see this one right here. You are going to get $201.70. You can see another one here, $25.25, and then many others. So we are going to select the category that is related to the video that you have created. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come here and then select personal development so that we can get products in that category to promote with our video. So we are going to just click on that. So once you click on the personal development, you can see this product right here. You are going to earn 85% commission, that is $38.63 per sale. So when you scroll, you can see another one right here, $13.36 per sale. When you scroll, $25.86 per sale. So you can see many products. So what you want to do is that you have to choose one product so that you can promote it with your video. I have the experience of promoting this particular product, GenieScript. So I'm going to promote this product under the description of my video. If you have never promoted the product before, you see something like promote here, but because I promoted it, that's why you are seeing my affiliate link here. So let me scroll down to show you. So when you come here, you can see that this one have not promoted it. So if you are new, you are also going to see a page like this. So just click on promote so that you can get your affiliate link. But because I promoted it, you can see my affiliate link is already here. So this product is about how to manifest money. So let me click on it for you to see the landing page of the product. So you have to check the landing page before you promote it. I have promoted it before. I know how it looks like, but for the sake of you, I'm going to open it for you to see. Just click on this particular arrow. So as you can see, this is the landing page of the product. You can see this is about mind hacks that help you manifest $1,000 per day. So you can see the landing page has a video that is going to teach the customer how to make $1,000 per day. So this is one of the products that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. Once you've seen the landing page of the product, what you are going to do is that you are going to just come here and then highlight it. Once you highlight it, copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you want to shorten it so that it can look nice for people to click through. So you are going to use a URL shortener like Bitly. Once you are on the Bitly website, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, this is mine. So the next thing is that you are going to click on shorten. Once you click on shorten, you can see that the link is now short and it's somehow better than before. So once you shorten the link, you are going to click on copy. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to your video. At the description of the video, you are going to type a call to action here. So you can come back to the landing page of the video and then copy a title here. So you can just copy the title on the landing page. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your video, and here you are going to just type something like click the link below to get my, then you are going to paste the title here. As you can see, click the link below to get my NeuroMind hacks that gets me $1,000 per day. So you are going to type a call to action like this. Once you have your call to action here, you are going to come back to Bitly and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to paste it here, as you can see. So this is your affiliate link. So once people view the video and click on this link, when they purchase the product, you are going to be earning commission on Digistore 24. Once you have monetized your video through affiliate links, the next thing is that you are going to now publish this video onto YouTube so that you can get people to view it and then take action. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come here and then click on next so you can proceed to the next step. Once you click on next, you are going to click on next. So once you click on next, you are going to see something like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to select public and then you are going to click on publish so that your video can go live onto YouTube. But because my channel is not about course, I don't want to disturb you by clicking on publish. You are just going to click on publish and the video is going to go live, and you are going to be making money when you get 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours. Apart from that, the affiliate link at the description of the video, when people purchase the products, you are also going to be earning commission per every sale that you get. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.